These businesses spend billions of advertising dollars to attract you to think that you're getting over on them with some credit card points or the Dillard's card or the Kohl's card or the Costco card, Walmart card, Target card, etc. They spend billions of dollars, billions, to get you to convert and to make it as frictionless as they can. And that's another thing about emotion. When you go to spend, if you don't have the emotional tie, the friction point to the purchase, meaning in the old days, we used to give cash, you get your item, and they don't give you your cash back, but a little bit of change. There was a little bit of a to that purchase. Think about if you're going to go buy a car and you saved up for months and months and years, and you have 18,000 cash and you go to spend it. How does that feel? Just think about it. Just writing the check. Because I remember when I first did that, and I wrote the check, it was 20 something thousand. And I didn't even know how to spell 20 something thousand in that next line. And it was very awkward. It had a lot of friction to it.